Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to change the font of the time on iPhone. So for this purpose, what you need to do, go to Settings app on your mobile device. Then on Settings app, you need to scroll down and here you have the option of wallpaper. Tap on it. Then in wallpaper section, the wallpaper which is set on your lock screen. On this wallpaper, you have this customize option. Tap on it. Then this type of page will appear. Here you need to tap on this time section. Then this page will pop up. Here you can see different fonts and colors. From here you can select that font which you like. And by holding on this you can increase or decrease the font width. If you move it on right side, it's increase the font width, and if you move it on left side, then it will decreases the font width. And at the bottom you have different colors. You can select any color that you want. You can select any color. If you don't find that color which you want to select, then click on this multi-shade color. And then this type of different colors will appear. From here, you can choose any color that you want, and you can also make it lighter or darker. Once you select all these things, then tap on this wallpaper. And then at the top right corner, you have done option, tap on it. Now on my lock screen, you can see my font is changed. The color, the font I have selected, you can see it's appear on my lock screen. So it's very simplest and easiest way to change the font of the time on iPhone. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.